This is the 1st of November this year, just a few days ago. Austrian Airlines, OS 235 from Vienna to Berlin. The pilot has an event, the co-pilot had an event on the approach into Berlin and basically vomited over the instrument panel, which is where the radios are and some of the computers, and then leaned on the thrust levers, which control the engines, and basically passed out. Emergency services were called. The captain, who was still flying at the time, managed to effect a safe and normal landing. And basically, Austrian Airlines are now trying to distance themselves from this getting into the news. I just received an email from Austrian Airlines this morning, and basically they did confirm that it was a pilot event on board the aircraft and that emergency services at the airport were called out. 3rd of November 22, Fly Dubai 737 has to divert to an airport in Iran after the captain falls ill. April 21, incapacitated pilot by a stroke prompts the ANA 787 to do a diversion. May 2020, a Delta Airlines 777 aircraft carries typically 350 people. His flight is forced to divert as the pilot is incapacitated. Lufthansa, first officer collapses on a flight attendant when he's taking a restroom break. That was September 21. October 22, Indonesian pilot collapses in the cabin, and that's actually on video. There's a video clip of that. Passengers who've actually got that posted, and that's on Twitter. December 21, WestJet Canadian pilot collapsed in mid-flight. The plane has to divert. Air Canada diverts to Orlando on the 26th of September 22. One of the pilots incapacitated. Another Austrian Airlines 767 near Vienna on October 22nd. First officer incapacitated. Eurowings Airbus A320 diverts to Munich on the 24th of July 22, and the first officer is incapacitated. The pilot of a Boeing dies on a Boeing 737 emergency diversion to Omsk in Russia, September 22. Alaskan Airlines 737, 2 cabin crew members are incapacitated, November 22. Jet2 in the UK, 737 diverts after pilot incapacitation. That was in August 2022. And a pilot incapacitation in Argentina on JetSmart, July 22. CityLink Indonesia pilot dies shortly. The other pilot makes an emergency landing.